Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world.
Hi.
Welcome to
my
my
world.
world.
Today I wanted to show you how to make herbal teas for the hair and also for the Yoni, which is the vagina. We added jasmine tea. I also added a chamomile tea bag. I have added a peppermint tea bag and also green tea into the kettle. You can see it's boiling. So we've already added our tea bags and the water is boiling. Just going to cut it off, let it steep for a little while. And while that's going on, I'm going to explain to you what the different teas, what their properties are. For the chamomile tea, it's very good for inflammation. So that's what we're going to be using it for today, and that's what it's going to be for the Yoni. For the green tea, promotes oxygen and also helps flushes out toxins. So these teas are also excellent just to drink. But like I said, we're making tea for the Yoni and for the hair. Jasmine tea. Jasmine tea is very good for burns, cuts. We have peppermint tea for inflammation. And also we're going to be adding into our mix some tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a very known oil for healing fungus infections and also for viral and bacterial infections. It's very good for just about acne, anything just about. Warts, like I said, for acne, anything. So we're going to add this to our mix. Then we're going to also add eucalyptus. It's for infections, antiseptic, and anti-inflammation, and it's also a healing oil. So these are essential oils. We're going to be adding the essential oil for eucalyptus, rosemary oil, which is very good for promoting the hair growth, and it removes dandruff. So we're going to be adding this also to our hair and our Yoni mix. Lavender essential oils. Lavender is good for burns, for inflammation, cuts, wounds, bacteria, boils, and sores. Every household needs to have lavender. It's very, very good oil. Like I said, for burns, I just use it also in a mix of olive oil and use it on my face, and it's wonderful. And also we're going to be using aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice, very good to drink. Helps with if you're constipated, and it also helps with burns and heals wounds and cuts. So we're going to also put that into our mix. Now, I already have a pre-made bottle of stuff that I use on my hair, so you can have this kind of a bottle because you're going to want to spray the tea into your locks or into your natural hair. And for any kind of jar work for just to hold your tea in. I just use an old jar that I had laying around the house. So let's get to it. Gonna add the tea. Ooh, it's hot. Gonna add the tea. The steam is getting to me. There's no need to really try to measure anything. I don't do that. I just go according to my feel. I want to add some aloe vera, of course. Now, we want to add the tea tree oil. For this size, I'd say about 30 drops. And this is a very good oil to add to your tea, especially for the Yoni, because if there's any bacteria, any yeast going on, it's going to go in there and kill it. So it's very good. All these essential oils are wonderful to have. You can buy these at any herbal store. Walmart have these oils as well for like $5 or $6. We're now adding the lavender oil. I love I always add more lavender than anything because it has a beautiful, wonderful scent to it, and it makes everything just rounds out and smells wonderful. So I kind of use more than that. This is for the hair growth. The rosemary. And basically, that's it. You've got your oils in there, you've got your tea, and so what you want to do is just kind of let this cool down. Like I said, you want to put it in a bottle to spray your locks. And you also, of course, if you're going to be cleaning out the yoni, you want to have a device, something like this. So you add the cool tea inside, and then you'll flush out your yoni with the tea. And basically, that's it. I just wanted you guys to really know how to add the essential oils, and then how to mix up the teas. And that's it. Come and join me again. Thanks for joining me this time. Till next time, see you soon. Peace.